Hi chat, welcome to another stream. How y'all doing today? It is about to be the 17th of December for our 17th day of Advent of Code. Welcome back to everyone who is here. We've got JJMC, we've got Fixter Jake, we've got D-Dels, but we've got Killer Marku. And I'm gonna do something a little bit sweaty before our stream starts today. We're gonna take some of the helper functions, some of the little functionality that I've written for earlier days, and I'm gonna split it off into my little support module, just in case it comes in handy for today. Just in case. But before we do that, let me set up day 17 as well. Day 17 init.py day 0 part 1 to day 17. Okay, just to get that started. All right, we've had a few functions that I've wanted to write in our little support module. One of them, this is all kind of our loading stuff. I guess we can just put little helpers at the bottom. That seems fine to me. Arrow Bounce, hello. Good to see you again. Sleepy day, I was up way too late last night. Yo, same. God, I don't even play chess. Or at least I haven't played chess in a while. I think I've played 2 games in the last 15 years? I won both of them though. One of them was a fool's mate. But yeah, I don't even play chess, but I was watching like so much chess YouTube last night. Okay, so the first function that I want to make is this adjacent function. And we are going to standardize coordinates on x, y, and not do this inconsistent garbage. But you can see how many days I've needed this. So I feel like it is worth adding. So we're going to have both adjacent for x int, y int to generator tuple int none. We're going to do adjacent 4 and we're going to do adjacent 8. Even though I'm pretty sure they have actual words for those. But I don't care. Tuple int none. So we should probably do this in a reasonable fashion. Let's do clockwise. X, y plus 1. And then to the right, x plus 1, y. To the bottom, yield x, y minus 1. Wait, no, this is backwards. This should be minus 1, this should be plus 1. And then yield x minus 1, y. That seems reasonable. And then we can do this for yd in range in -1, 0, 1. Or xd in -1, 0, 1. If you're a small ant viewer, you're like, xd! If yd equals xd, why is my eye tweaking out? That's not good. Andy Monkey, hello. Zarin QX. Oh, I don't know how to say your names. I'm sorry, but thank you. Welcome. Fix Jake says I was just getting in bed at 2 and had to be up at 8 for my morning. Realize I'm not in college anymore. Running out of 6 hours of sleep is hard. Yeah, I don't know. Sometimes it works. Yield x plus yield. So creative spelling of that. X plus xd, y plus yd. Cool. We also need to import. Oh, we already have a generator. Cool. Everyone says I'm making my own little support module. I should probably expand it out. So far, I've got input splitting, LCM, CRT. Yeah, I was hoping to get some of that stuff in here. Wolfsmouth says, what do you use your macro pad for? Switching OBS scenes. That's literally it. Mr. Singh, hello. I didn't realize adjacent 4 can do abs x plus abs y equals 1 for the up, down, left, right, and for loops. I'm confused. Godwo, hello. Gonna hit the global leaderboard? We'll see. I think I need about 25 or 30 points to get there. Ooh, there's a new button on my dashboard. Sub-only chat. No, we're not doing that. But welcome back, Godwo. Fenby, good to see you again. Absolute hate problem like yesterday's. Nothing insightful and interesting, just about monkeying down a bunch of arbitrary nonsense. I don't know. Yesterday is very similar to how UTF-8 works. So I kind of liked that part about it. All right, let's can I do this? Does this work? Star.py. Can't PyTest on SQL files? Oh, except for day 0. Wait, why is day 17 broken? Oh, because this had no... Oh, because we're not done with 17. Okay, yeah. No, this makes sense. Okay. Day 9, part 1. Oh, you can use day 8 with a skip. Got it. That makes sense. Cool. Or adjacent 8 with a skip. That's cool. I do recreational programming for fun, interesting things, not implementing UTF-8. But understanding how it works can be helpful. You don't have to implement it, but understanding it can make it useful. Wait. I thought it was that problem. Day 9, part 2. Got it. This is adjacent 4, but in the other direction. Okay, I think we should make a function for this too. Parse chords int. Stir to what? Dict. Tuple int. Int. We probably also want min max, maybe. Tuple int or max. Max? Yeah, that seems fine. To be fair, this is also AOC. If you don't want to do a day, just wait till 12:10 and copy someone's solution from Reddit. Yeah. The problem with this is we actually used a little special default dict here. So I don't know quite how helpful this is, but maybe that's going to be helpful. Oh, but we have yx here, and we're going to standardize on xy. That is what I have decided. How much time do we have? We got 13 minutes. I don't love rewriting this problem just yet, but let's see if we can do it. Chords equals parse chords int. Oh, and I bet MyPy's doesn't know about this. What happens if we do field type timing? We have to MyPy path, probably. Hello? MyPy? Hello? That was so slow. What the fuck happened? What is the MyPy path? MyPy path. MyPy. Hey, what's up, Zithrius? Hello, hello. MyPy path. MyPy underscore path. MyPy path equals port. Think about a return type. Got dict int. Indeed. Okay, cool. So that'll fix that. Why is MyPy so slow right now? I don't understand that. How much time do I have? 10 minutes? Okay. Is it bad that I avoid decorators for things like neighbors so I can return a tuple and cache them? Avoid generator. I don't think caching helps you at all. But yes, there are situations where you definitely would want to avoid generators so that... Can I change in day 16? Oh. That was while I was recording my YouTube video. And I don't think I did that for part 2. This is a stupid comment. Day 16, some simplification. Cool. And this problem probably not. Yeah. Hey, what's up, AS Steve? Hello, hello. Tuple. This is gonna be hard to type. We're gonna do hash instead. Tuple int dict tuple int. Oh no, this should be set. Set that. Words equals set. Yeah, like that. My day 16 implementation passes all the examples, but not the inputs. Oh no. Wait, how is that possible? That's crazy. Implement a naive solution to Dijkstra problem, just pushing short paths onto neighbors with no heap. Looking and just caching the neighbors made it run quite fast. I guess if you revisit the same point over and over, that would potentially make sense. But if you're not revisiting the same point, there's no point. This function is going to be useful. Oh, but this isn't a printing function. Print words hash words set tuple int. I seriously have a parenthesis problem? Yeah, I do. Min x equals min. So I write this function so often, we might as well have it ready. For y in range min y max y plus 1, for x in range min x max x plus 1, if x, y, and chords will be helpful. Man X. Doing. Okay. I don't know if we'll use any of those, but at least we kind of have them written. Min and man, yeah. Yeah. Hey, what's up, Neely? Hello, hello. Eric, how you doing? What you doing? I'm thinking I'm gonna start making some helper functions that I can use and reuse. Because I've written this one 4 times this AOC. I've written this one twice. I write this every time I try and do debugging. I've written this one probably 9 or 10 times now. We've done this one 4 times. He's cheating? Doesn't look like cheating? No, it's just prepping. It's just getting some stuff ready. Game of Life when? Yeah. No, I got the whole problem for Game of Life. We're so ready to go on this one. Just easy, done. I don't have a maze problem one though. Maybe I should have a maze problem. Hey, what's up, Mark Sands? Hello, hello. You definitely cheating? How about cheating? I'm not cheating. How could I possibly be cheating? Some people write their own programming language to solve these. Like, I don't think this is cheating. Theory says, stopped on day 8 because of finals. They're done now. I must resume. Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. You can do it, I believe. Okay. I think this is most of what I wanted to write for today. I should maybe also have a print chords for something else, but this is probably fine. Hey, what's up, Frat M? Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. Didn't Beta Veros write a golf code language? Yeah, I think so. I think so. Time to warm up. Good luck. Yes. Solve them in int code. We actually did. We did one last year in int code. if I remember. There was one problem that was like pretty easy to do in code, so I did that real well. Red M, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Aneurysm, how you doing? Now just unloop all the idiomatic Python iterator stuff into explicit while loops so you can hit it up with PyPy in case your first run doesn't return fast enough. I mean, PyPy will jit that stuff too. There's no reason to really do that. PyPy's pretty smart. PyPy fails miserably at jitting range loops? That's not what I have seen in my experience. Hey, what's up, Viwu? Hello, hello. Seen PyPy be very, very good at range loops. Okay. Part 2, Part 1, ESC download input. That's all ready to go. Gotta open up the website. 3 minutes left. What's with the 9 key? I use it to switch my Twitch scenes. Fizz Khalifa, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. But yeah, this is the BDN9. Oh, I just unseated it from its frame. That's not good. That was weird. I will have to fix that after stream. Well, at least the buttons still work, but what the fuck did I just do? Switch has popped out. Huh. Well, apparently today it is more fragile than I expect, so I'm just gonna stop touching it. Yeah, there you go, keyboard 3. This is kind of yikes. How though? Switches are huge. And they're soldered down. I'm just gonna not worry about it. Okay. Yeah. I gotta put this in the right spot. You know what I think I should do instead? I think this should be import support, and then down here do support.timing. That way I can access the support functions. We'll see how that goes. If it's helpful, we'll do it. Actually, let's not. We'll see if it would have been helpful. Much Bobbing says, my first time not doing a day within 24 hours this year. Oh, was yesterday's tough? Making last minute changes? Yeah, that was my thought too, Color Marku. Don't make last minute changes. Last minute changes will fuck you up. Avoid those. Just go with it. Do it live. Don't do it live. That is the opposite of what is good. Alright, good luck to everyone solving today. I'm hoping to get some points to get back on this leaderboard. I'm 10 points off the end here. But we'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. Is more just a massive wall of text? Yeah. Yeah, yesterday's was a lot of text. Well, if you watch my YouTube video, I summarize it to a very short wall of text instead of a massive wall of text, which I found much more digestible. Maybe others will as well. Packet with version 0 isn't valid. Version 0? The versions could be anything. They weren't really used other than the summing part. What skill level is required to be competitive? Oh, I don't know. Get good. Last night was one of my all-time favorites. Legitimate use for parser combinators. Unless day 17 adds a jump instruction. Yeah, and then you'll be like, no! No! But I don't know how that would work because there's no like program counter. It's just a nested structure. So it would have to be something more complicated. Anyway, good luck, and I will see you on the other side. That's not a 6, that's a 6. Go. And let's go! Is that the input? We're hoping that's the input. 45. Yo, this looks cool. The fuck is this? Oh, that was... Okay, what are we doing? Post XY starts at 0, 0. What does our input look like? Oh, our input does not look like this. It looks very different. Okay. Um... Probe launcher on your summer can fire the probe with an integer velocity in X and Y. Yep, okay. Initial is that. Fire straight up while the initial velocity like that. Yep. Starts at 0, 0. Follows some trajectory by moving steps in each step. Probe's X position increases by the X velocity. Due to drag, X velocity changes by 1 towards the value 0. Okay, cool. Due to gravity, Y velocity decreases by 1. Okay. That's important to know. Oh, this is our example. Got it. In this target area, after 1 initial velocity causes the probe to be within the target area after any step is 7, 2. It. Got it. Yep. Probe appears to pass through the target areas, but is never within it after any step. Instead, it continues down to the right. Trying to fire high scientific to its style. How high can you make the probe go while still reaching the target area? Find the initial velocity that causes the probe to reach the highest Y position and still eventually be within the target area after any step. Oh no, it's a math problem. Okay. So we just get a target area from this. Okay, how do we parse this out? Chords, let's see. And the initial position starts at 0, 0. And so we have to enter the X position. The above example, which above example? Which above example? 6, 9. God damn it. Which above example? I don't know which one that was. Okay, well maybe our test is garbage then. So that's not super helpful. We still need to parse these integers out. x1, x2 equals xs dot split on dot dot. y1, y2, these are s's. Oh god, what have I done? No. Yeah, let's make sure we're parsing these properly. What? Why are you not? Oh. Because I suck at this. How the fuck? Oh, this is not -1. Cool. Okay. So that gets us our positions. We need to be able to enter the box. So we know the x velocity, or we know we know the range of the x's based on... Well, actually, the x velocity could be anything. It has to be... Reduces by drag 1 per n. So the best x velocity, or the minimum x velocity, is whatever difference is? No. Difference over 2? Oh, this is such a tricky problem. So we don't need any of this. We know we start at 0, 0, and we kind of want to simulate the velocities. So at a position t, at t, we have moved from 0, 0, and so at t, t equals 1, we are at... We update the velocity first? Yeah. Vx, Vy, at t equals 2, we're at Vx plus Vx minus 1, and Vy minus 1. Should be plus. That's not necessarily true, because we could... We're gonna assume... Oh, we didn't... We... This is such a hard problem. This is such a tricky problem. Because... How do we even know... Because the velocity in the x direction actually changes towards 0. And y is also well, it decreases by 1. So y always goes down, x goes towards 0. So the x's are always positive, so that's fine. We can assume the x's are positive. That's great. So we can always do this sort of thing. So t3 is going to be vx plus... basically, we want to get when x is going to stop. We want x to stop between these two values. So at t, we have, vx x naught plus times x naught xx plus 1 over 2. Is that what it is? Yeah. So this has to be equal to 20 to 30, something like that. And the y just want the maximum y. Oh, and this value is also going to be equal to t? T of 20. So we have the sum of Vy that right? I wish we knew what problem this is referring to. Oh, okay, no, this is the right problem. So that is 45. Okay, so initial velocity of 6.9 is the best you can do to cause it to reach that. Anything greater than that. Okay, so let's see what those numbers give us. So if we have 6 times 6 plus 1 over 2, 21, which gets us into this range. But if we had done 7, 7 is 28. And -10 to -5. So if we have, so if we did 9 plus 6 times 9 minus 6 times 7 over 2. That's complete. That's not helpful. Oh, the position can stop. We just need it to stop. The time can double. We want it to go up and peak and then go down, I think. So we actually have not 6 but 12 here. That's still not right. Okay, I don't care about x. Vy plus Vy minus 1 plus Vy minus 2. So it is t times Vy minus e minus 1 t over 2. Hey, what's up, Grim? Hello, hello. We're focusing, but thank you for the raid. Not right now, so if we 9 times 12 minus 8 times 9 over 2. Oh no, this should be 11 times 12 over 2. What is the fucking t? How do I get this without simulating it is the thing. That's crazy. I don't even know what to think about here. I feel like this is a Toy Story reference. Any higher initial Y velocity causes the probe to overshoot the target area entirely. So we need to know, we need to know the target Y position, or the target Y velocity has to be the difference between these two. So it has to be -5 somehow. Oh, but that's not even true because you could be further up and hit it by luck. uh Okay, so based on your initial velocity, you will always reach this position here. we'll always get to the same point. So we're really trying to figure out what the negative velocity is from 0 when you're lined up here. No hints, no hints. No hints, chat. We're fucking 15 minutes into the problem. No hints. Stop it. Okay, so that one is like that. Yeah, so any of the initial velocities will end up being here. So we basically need to pick... We don't care about the x velocity, we just care about the y velocity right now. And we need to pick a value where the negative velocity from 0... Well, are they always negative? Is the y always negative? The y is always negative. Okay, that makes it a little easier. So the negative velocity needs to be within this. So it has to be greater than 5? Can we do 2 steps? Is it optimal to do 2 steps? I think it's optimal to do 1 step. Yeah. It goes from 0 to... Oh, so that helps us get our negative velocity. That helps us get our positive velocity. Is this inclusive or not? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So wait, why would -9 not work? Why would -10 not work? Any higher initial y velocity causes the probe to overshoot the target area entirely. Wouldn't... Oh, because at this position, so it has +9 here, it has, or +1, 2, 3 here, it has -1, 2, 3, 4. Got it. So it is whatever the largest value minus 1 is. Largest negative value minus 1. So our y naught is equal to... my eye is tweaking out. The y1 minus 1. So y naught equals y1 minus 1. And then to figure out the max that it goes to, it takes, for +1, 2, 3 here, it takes 3 steps. Does it always do a 0 at the top? Yeah. So it takes n steps to get there, and at t equals n, t at n, we'll have the y position will be t times vy minus t minus 1 times t over 2. So, and t will be y. So return y0 equals y naught. y times t times t minus 1 times t over 2. This is supposed to be a subtraction. I was like, that number is fucking huge. 55? Wait, what? 10 minus 1. Oh. There we go. Okay, there's part 1. On to part 2. She's probably like, what's the x position? Maybe a fancy trick shot isn't the best idea after all. You only have one probe, so you better not miss. To get the best idea of what your options are for launching the probe, you need to find every initial velocity that causes the probe to eventually be within the target area after any step. How many distinct initial velocity values cause the probe to be within the target area after any step? Damn. That's crazy. Any? Well, we know the max y velocity. So presumably we could figure out the minimum y velocity and then compute all of them. That seems kind of nuts though. How slow is that going to be? Let's see. The minimum y velocity is going to be... Oh wait, there's so many. Because you can have negative y velocities as the initials. Holy shit. What? So we have to think how many T's we move. Marsha! Hello, hello. Jack is Donkey, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Okay, this is a little nutty. Alright, my thought here is we know the maximum T. This is the maximum T, right? That's the longest it could go up and come down. So we know the minimum T is 1. We have a range of those. Okay, so T goes from 1 to 9. How do we get to 112 from that, though? We know for T is 1, there's this number solutions. There's the whole square. Yeah. Why are these scattered in such a way? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Where are there 11 that are minus 10? I thought it was just the X widths, which, oh, is inclusive, so there are 10 points. Okay, X possibles is equal to x2 minus x1 plus 1. Okay, so for t equals 1, it is always y equals negative min. Actually, that's not true either. Marsha, thank you for the reset with Prime at 20 months. Holy shit. Thank you for your continued support. It's good to see you again. We should also see 11 for minus 9 also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah. So this is just the full cross product of all those. So x2 minus x1. -5 minus -10 is 5 plus 1. Times y2 minus y1 plus 1. That's for t equals 1. For t equals 9, we only have... For t equals 9, we have a y naught of... Oops. A y naught of 9? There are 2 solutions for that. Because anything greater than that would go outside of the thing. Know that. Interesting. For all of the positive velocities except for 1. Why except for 1? Interesting. Interesting. Hey, what's up, Robotic Head? Hello, hello. Okay, so we know how many there are for 1 second insta shots. I thought we knew how many there were for t equals 9. I expected it to be 1, but it is not 1. It is 2. How do we figure out whether it's 2 or not? I guess we figure out what happens with t equals with velocity of 7. Well, if we find reasonable bounds, we can just compute them all. The thing is, I'm pretty sure this is going to give, like, this is 61 by 60. 3600 times 131? It's actually not that many. Do we just compute them all? Maybe we just brute force this instead of trying to be clever? Yeah, let's try that. Fuck it. How do we figure out if it lands there? We have to simulate out a number of points. Seem good. We know where it's gonna be after a particular point. Oh, we can just use the math. Oh, I shouldn't have gotten rid of the math. Yeah, let's try brute force. For t in range 1 to 1 to, we know the largest t. Largest t is abs of y1 minus, this is non-inclusive. Okay, so we know all those t's. Middle equals 0, and we know our x ranges as well. Between 0 and this large number. Well, we know minimum value? Do we know minimum? Minimum value. Let's see, for this one being 20, what was the minimum x? Did this have a big x? Oh, exactly 30. 6 times 7, 42 over 2 is 21. So it's the largest geometric sum that is this number. I can just use 0. Well, it has to be at least 1. To the maximum x, so x2 plus 1, or y in range, let's just do the t inner. For y in range, be all the way from the negative value, so y1 to the biggest value, which is going to be what, abs y1 minus 1? Abs y1 minus 1. And then for formula, so y of 0 is equal to y0 of t equals, what did we compute it as before? Y naught times t plus t times t minus 1 over 2. So that gets us our y. X of t, so x of 0 is 0, x of 1 equals x naught, x of 2 is x naught plus x naught minus 1, x3 is x naught plus x naught minus 1 plus x naught minus 2. Of course, this part is all max with 0 so that we don't go past 0. Oh, but that's not quite right either. What's the math to get it when it stops? For t less than x. Or let's see, t, when t plus 1, if t plus 1 is less than x, then it is x, t times x minus t times t minus 1 over 2. When it's greater, eventually we add 0. So that will be, let's say that x naught is 3. We'll have x1 equal, well, x naught will be 0. Vx is 3. x2 will be 3, or x1 will be 3. x2 will be 3 plus 2. x3 will be 3 plus 2 plus 1. So it'll just be nn plus 1 over 2. So otherwise, x times x plus 1 over 2. Okay. So y of t is equal to y times t plus t times t minus 1 over 2. X of t, or if t plus 1 is less than x, then x of t is equal to t times x times t plus t times t minus 1 over 2. Otherwise, x of t is equal to x times x minus 1 over 2. And if y1 is the smaller one, less than or equal to y is less than or equal to y2, and x1 less than or equal to x is less than or equal to x2, then total plus equals 1. Gross might work. Fuck. It's fast at least. Oh, wait. Why is this the same number as we got in the first one? That's literally the same number we got for the first one. What a fucking coincidence, yeah. Okay, some of our math must be wrong here. All right, so let's do... All my thoughts are gone. Okay, so if if vx0 equals 3, if t plus 1 is less than x, so if t of 2, let's just do this out. So t0 equals 0, yeah. t1 equals 3, t2 equals 3 plus 2, t3 equals 3 plus 2 plus 1. So if t is greater than or equal to x, if t is greater than or equal to x, then this, otherwise oh, this isn't even correct. This isn't even correct. Oh yeah, wait, it maybe is. No, it's very not correct. Whoa, you got 27th with pen and paper? Nice. That's cool. That's pretty cool. Okay, so I have this part of the equation wrong. Yes. So t1 is equal to x naught, t2 is x naught plus x naught minus 1, t3 is x naught plus x naught minus 1 plus x naught minus 2. So this is equal to t times, oh, what do I just, there's supposed to be a fucking negative. Am I editing the wrong file? Fucker. I'm editing the wrong file. God fucking damn it. Okay. That's more like it. Oh, we need to break here. We don't want to double count. And now we're undercounting. Oh, this is supposed to be +1. That doesn't change things either. Wait, why is this not working? Oh. I am smoking something. Am I editing the right file? Yes. Five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Got all of those. We didn't get any of the small x's though. So what's up with that? Hi, Pari. Oh, it's our x calculation. We don't even see our 6, 9 in here. If x equals 6 and y equals 9, then we will break a point. Okay. Let's put a breakpoint here. E of 6. I don't remember how to do a conditional breakpoint. You write an if statement in here. If t is equal to... Oh, wait. This is supposed to be 2 times this. That's our problem. Still no. What the hell? As we'll just make this much bigger. Oh, it's definitely not working. Okay. If x equals 6 and y equals 9, and t is greater than or equal to 10, then we'll put a breakpoint here and see what we're getting here. Oh. That's supposed to be a minus. That's still not right. Oh my god. There's so many off by one and wacky bugs here. Okay, let's see what we got here. Okay, so y is 9, t is 10. Y times t minus t times t minus 1 over 2. 45. This is our peak. What about at t equals 20? 20 minus 20 times 19 over 2. Okay. Hmm. He's experiencing math. Oh, I don't want to simulate it, but I could just simulate it. Let's just fucking simulate it. I think it's gonna be fast enough. So maybe we just simulate it. I thought I could get clever with math, but fine. Okay. XP plus equals x. YP plus equals y. And then x equals max x minus 1 0, and then y minus equals 1, and then p xp. I can't even simulate it right. Oh. We're still missing the small numbers. Are t just not going big enough? What the fuck? No, I don't want to know the error. Don't tell me. We're less than an hour. No hands before an hour. You're getting the wrong answer. Yeah, no kidding. All right, let's walk through one of these. If x equals 6 and y equals 9, then we will break a point and take a look at what happens in here. Wait, what? Wait, what? X2 is 30. But we should definitely be hitting this case. Y is... Y should be hitting this case. This is the edge case. Abs Y1. That should be... Y1 is -10, so that should be 10, so it should hit 9. Why do we never hit that? Wait, what? Am I losing my mind? Y1 is -10, abs Y1 is 10, range Y1, abs Y1. Should be up until 9. All your computers. Where's my stupid typo? Don't reassign X or Y or Y1 anywhere in here. And we do reassign X and Y here, but that's before this breakpoint even gets hit. There is no 6. But this is from 1 to 30. 6 in that, 9 in range Y1 to abs Y1. What is going on? It hits it there. Okay, so there must be some stupid thing I'm doing in here, right? Okay, so now we are hitting it. Okay, so there's some dumb shit I'm doing in here, right? This all looks fine. I mean, yeah, I changed the values of these numbers, but what the hell? What the hell is going on here? Surely this will work, right? Irene, thank you for the raid, and General Leet, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. We missed Grim earlier. I'm flabbergasted as to why this code somehow changes what this is up here. I don't understand. Oh no, I do understand. I do completely understand. Because this loop runs and it kills this value. Oh my god, I'm such a... Okay, I understand. I understand now. I understand now. I understand now. I understand now. Oops, I didn't mean to get rid of you. I meant to get rid of you. We're still short. Oh no. Okay, what values are we missing now? We're missing one of the original y values. Wait, 2 commas shouldn't work. That should not get us anywhere near 20. Oh, because this is supposed to be VX. Right. There we go. Oh, that's slow. Did they have a beer before the stream? I had a nap, which was not a good nap. Your print XY is wrong. Yeah, the print's wrong. No, the print's right. Damn, ran all that time to get crunched by a print. I don't even know what the last value was. Oh, let's try this again. Hey, what's up, Python NNN? Hello, hello. Did you have a beer about a dream? Yes, precisely. That is exactly what happened. Your VX calc is off? Yeah, I just fixed it. Man, this is slow. But it gets the right answer. My god, today was awful. I spent so much time trying to get the actual solution, and then I had stupid variable clobber. Oh, that's so funny. I don't even think this needs to be a 3. I think this can be a 2. I think I made it a 3 out of anger. So that should make this 50% faster. Still pretty slow. Oh! Yeah, it's a little faster. My goodness. Today was a mess. But that's fine. We're even further from the leaderboard now. Actually, that isn't that bad. That's not that bad. 3,000? I'll take it. But it means that I'm probably further behind on this. Yep, Arrow Bounce has taken a solid lead here. Now I have no hopes of catching TYT and Alexander. Why is it so slow? Because I'm doing a big triple for loop. Under an hour could have been worse. Yeah, we're still under an hour. We're still under an hour. Hey, what's up, Red Sky One? It's good to see you again. How you doing? I was just hopeful that I could get my vector math thing to work, which would avoid needing to simulate. I guess the loop would still be the same. Oh, that's why I got caught up. Because before I wasn't actually changing the values, I was just computing them directly. So that's why when I switched, I didn't think about it. That makes way more sense. Yeah. That makes way more sense. But yeah, that'll do. I guess it's time to commit this and call it a night. Add another condition to break out of loop. It'll be faster? What do you mean? We're already breaking out here. Oh, you mean if I get greater than the values, that'll be faster? Yeah. If yp is, which one's the big negative? The first one. Less than y1, then we also break. That'll make it slightly faster. Like 3x faster. I guess we can also do if xp is greater than x2. Do that as well. I don't know if that'll make it. Oh, it does make it a bit faster. Okay. Yeah, I like that. That's fairly fast. I'll call that good enough. That's way better than 13.5 seconds, which is what it originally was. Well, I'll take that. We need it. Well, V does not equal answer V++. Yeah. Yeah, precisely. All right. Let's commit this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Real happy with my part 1. I think this is my fastest part 1 of the whole thing. Put this in first. Yep, that is the only 2-digit microseconds. We all helped a little bit. We are not going to commit my helper functions until I find them actually useful. Day 17, part 1. Part 1, we do not need x1 or x2 or y2. Interesting. Ooh, we shaved off a couple microseconds there. 31? Yeah, there we go. Cool. There are some days that have sub-microsecond solutions. Yeah, well, not in Python, they don't. And certainly not in Python in my VM on 3-year-old hardware. What about in PyPy? Maybe if PyPy had enough warm-up time, it would work. Teach MyPy about our support module. Okay, that's gonna wrap us up for today. Yeah, I kind of wanted to get the algebraic solution, but this will have to do. There's not too many numbers, so simulating it's not bad. All right, well, thank you all for stopping by. My name is Anthony. I upload educational content to YouTube, and that is youtube.com/anthonywritescode. 3 videos a week, as well as Advent of Code Solutions, so check those out. I also upload my previous VODs to my VODs channel, which you can click through here. I'm streaming every day for Advent of Code, so stop by tomorrow for more AOC content. I also announce my streams both on the Discord and on the Twitter, so subscribe, follow, like, whatever the hell you're supposed to do there. But yeah, let's go find someone to raid.